I've been recording, but I've been sitting at home, so.
Oh, so you're already ahead of schedule?
I'm not ahead of schedule. I've just been doing it behind your back.
Is that what it is? Is that what it is?
But you guys know I'm gonna make it big because I like big quilts, and I cannot lie.
Folks, this is my great friend, Mark, the Quilting Marine. I'm Rob Appell from Stitchin Heaven, and we are having a blast as educators and hosts of this awesome event. We happen to be in Shipshewana, Indiana. We are in the heart of Amish country, and today is our excursion. So we're going to go around. We're on a secret mystery excursion.
Yeah.
Do you have any idea what we're doing?
I heard something about baskets.
Oh, did you? I heard something about maybe a quilt shop or two.
Yes. Yes.
And other than that, we're pretty much clueless. We have brand new t-shirts. I think I have a new favorite t-shirt.
Oh yeah, this t-shirt is killer. Yeah, I like this t-shirt. Yeah, they hit all the marks on this t-shirt.
Yeah, they did. Yeah. Oh, you know what I also heard was kind of fun last night is I heard some of the gals after the dinner and oh man, the dessert pile was.
We've been fed really well here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They said we spared no expense and we having a blast. So yeah, we have a motor coach coming today. We're going to load up the crew and we're going to take them on a mystery excursion. We're peeling them away from the sewing machines and about ready to have an incredible.
Somebody may end up with some fabric.
Oh, are you gonna go hunting for some cloth?
Well, as long as you're with me.
Yeah. We'll make some good
I can get out of control.
We'll make
Don't
some
tell my
choices.
wife. I can get out of control.
You know we're recording, right?
Oh yeah.
All right, man. So hey, obviously we're making a video here. So what's been your favorite part so far? Literally, like
the hospitality of everyone, you know,
and
everyone and all the students just being so down to earth, you know, no cattiness, no problems. Everyone came with a great attitude, which set us up for great instruction, and I think they really enjoy having guys in their world.
The anticipation is building. Oh boy, another bad hair day. Look at this. Okay. We have 1.5 minutes until the instructors begin education at our first Sewcation Shipshewana. Now, it's day one, and you can see we haven't even gotten through the second step of the instructions, and it's getting a little out of control in here. But we are doing our best to keep things regulated a bit.
No man.
Okay.
Yeah. I've been there, I've done that. Yeah, and I'm still alive. I have the bruises. We got it. There we go. Are we on there? There we go, you're good.
Thank you.
All right. Just a couple of guys. Not everybody, just a couple of guys in their world.
Yeah, because they're making tons of money. They have a curse. They have a curse jar set up at Mark's sewing station. And but you know what? Yeah, I was going to add to that with the level of different quilters, like expert all the way to a few that have made just a few quilts in their lives.
Oh yeah.
Folks that are working a little bit wonky like we like, a little bit freestyle.
Yeah.
Folks that are super precise.
Yeah.
I've enjoyed the camaraderie.
Yeah, the camaraderie's been great. Yeah.
All right. Now, Jan, our new quilter, what has been the best part of your Sewcation so far?
The people.
Great answer. All right, let's see. Oh, another brand new Sewcation. You know it's you, Laurie, Arizona. Okay, Laurie, Arizona, what's been your favorite part so far?
The teachers.
The teachers, okay. I'll sit next to you again at breakfast. Teacher's pet. Speaking of a teacher's pet, Raya, what has been your favorite part of the Sewcation here in Shipshewana?
Terry
has, yay! Terrific Terry, I love it. It's not the pre-cut kits. It's not the awesome Berninas that were provided. It's not the great lighting. It's Terry. That's what it is.
We've got quilters who just started to those who've been quilting longer than I've been alive. But it's really great how they come together and teach each other. And me, being somewhat a new quilter, I learned from these. And I've learned a few things from these quilters.
That's great. Yeah, and you know what I also dig is the fact I know there's at least 2 folks that they've never been on any kind of sewing event. Like this is their very first choice. So thank you for picking us at Stitchin Heaven. But I also know, like, gosh, like some of these gals have been 6, 7, 8 different things, whether it's one of the cruises, one of the retreats in Texas, or traveling. I think there was one gal that's been to 7 different Sewacations alone.
Wow.
Yeah. This is a situation. Stella has been on this tour before.
Yeah.
We haven't been in here 30 seconds and she's got an entire basket and she's filling it. Look at this. Whatever Stella does today, we should do too. Because she's a pro, man. Yeah. This is our turn to learn from them. Look,
that's crazy.
That's crazy. We started doing these because of COVID. When we couldn't do the cruise lines.
Yeah.
When the cruise lines were shut down, we could still take hotels. So that's what a Sewcation is we take over a hotel in a fantastic location so that we can also take advantage of the experience that's happening. And
they're doing it right. You know, if I'm a contracted instructor for Stitchin Heaven, but I wouldn't mind being an employee. Okay, they do it really good. So you won't go wrong going with the Stitchin Heaven. It's great, and I love doing these. I'm going to be doing these more often, definitely. Yeah.
Well, let's go have some fun, and let's go see what happens on our mystery excursion.
Oh yeah,
Day
this
3.
is going to be hilarious. Okay, sit back, get ready, because this is going to be hilarious.
I love you, man.
I love you too, brother.
Oh my goodness! Look at her. Hey, what do you got there, Cupcake? Those yours? You double fisting it? You double fisting those cupcakes?
Why do you feel